gonna be a gentleman and help me up? Come on.
You know what? That's enough.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, just watch the beard on my neck.
Whatever, man. This elephant's got 2 buttholes, 2 taints, and 4 balls on his back, and you're complaining about 1 penis.
I wasn't talking about your penis. It's your beard. It's itchy. Get it off my neck.
Oh, sorry, man. No problem. But you're cool with the penis, then?
That too. Back it up.
All right, man.
I thought you were steering.
Change of plans, dude. You drive and shoot, and I'm gonna, like, totally encourage you, okay, man? I don't mind being a backseat guy. I kind of like it. That totally came out wrong. Okay, you know that, right? That, bro. Bad guys, straight ahead, man. Party favors, man. Ammo.
Hurk, where are we going?
Keep heading up, I guess.
You guess?
It's an educated guess, man. I was homeschooled and everything. More baddies, homie! Here, ammo, man! I got you covered! Bad guys! Awesome! Here! Put the ammo to good use!
Hurk, where are we going?
Up the hill, man! The monkey statue's like in the cave! More baddies, homie! Geronimo! Oh! Oh! Oh, I landed on my sacrum! Oh.
You'll live.
How do you know? Are you a doctor? Are you qualified to tell a man whether he will live when he has jumped off an elephant and landed on his goddamn sacrum? You don't know! Oh, I gotta walk it off, man. Oh, it's bad. It's real bad. Oh. Oh, it's getting better. You're right. I probably will live. Yeah, I'm fine actually. Yeah, nah, I overreacted. That was on me.
I'm going for that statue, man. You got yourself a shit sandwich coming your way.
He's dead! Yes!